Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Ethereum price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. Let's dive with the 4-hour chart for Ethereum to see what's going on inside this corrective wave or potential, of course, bullish. We're gonna see as well it has a potential. Currently, we are looking at an impulse double 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, and a 5 for a potential wave 1 over there. And we're looking for a correction, deep correction in a potential A, B, and a C. The wave C is still 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Still required one more move downward, or you are in a W, X, and a Y finished, and you are bullish in double 1, 2 unfolding right now for Ethereum. Now, if we dive inside it, of course, for this potential scenario, then we are looking, of course, at this potential ABC. A, B, and a C. The wave C is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Again, of course, as I mentioned, this is not a good way to finish a wave Y with it because it finishes as W, X, and Y internally inside the wave Y, which is very, very rare case. Zigzag, impulse A, and running flat wave B, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here for a wave C, meaning it's a zigzag here, and very likely that you have a zigzag in a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. We're looking at the same zigzags here, of course, in a wave 5 for this diagonal to reach still, of course, very likely the 1-to-1 fib level taken from the A to the B to the C here. 1-to-1 that it can be a potential flat, and that means, of course, you might dive for deeper again in this case. Unless, of course, we are in an impulse 1, 2, and you're looking for, of course, this potential drop down here for a wave 2, of course. But I doubt it a little bit because, of course, this impulse is a double 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where is your second 4, 5? Therefore, this end up as a correction, wave 4 very likely, and then we're looking for wave 5 upward. On the 15-minute chart, you can see, of course, that you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 finished wave 1, wave 2, and you are unfolding something new, of course, as bullish here after an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 can be a 1, 2, again 3, 4, 5 towards the upside to reach, of course, our zigzag here, which it can be the 1-to-1 around the $2,214 for Ethereum. Yep, so highest possibility, of course, to continue for higher at least to this area. If this area is broken and we continue toward the upside, that means, of course, it's a bullish scenario in 1, 2. And, of course, another diagonal for wave 1, wave 2 might be required to be tested, of course, in this area. And then pushing towards the upside again, massive wave 3, in case, of course, as this happens. And that means, of course, from there, you can be, again, bullish after a potential wave 2 there, and looking for higher. We'll see in this case if this happens and we take the highs. This is a confirmation that a potential bullish scenario is unfolding in a wave 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. A new all-time high, of course, for Ethereum might be requested here as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't forget that you are already in a large 1, 2. You are looking for really high here. Of course, in wave 3, we're talking about 8K for Ethereum, very likely to happen in the next bull run if this, of course, start to give some signals. Yep, so that was it for Ethereum. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.